Alright, so customer complaining my ice maker is not working. So I removed the ice bucket right here. From here I put it outside, and so this is the ice maker. It stopped producing ice like a month ago, and now I'm inspecting, and well, on my inspecting I found out when you open the both doors, there's two screws, one right here and one right here. You have to remove that, take out this piece by make the door straight like this, and then pull this out. Okay, when I pulled out, here is the problem. If you look at it, these wires are broken, so it's not making a connection, and that's why it stopped the ice maker. This is very common problem in the side-by-side Whirlpool, Maytag, and other same refrigerator like this. So in order to repair this, if we splice this, it might break again, so then we will order a new door for this, and then we supposed not to put the screw on it to make not tension on these wires. What it is, when they open and close, there's too much tension on these wires.